Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Giovanni Dennis. The University of the West Indies, Mona, has raised $3 billion through a private bond offer on the Jamaican capital market. Cygnus Group arranged the 15-year bond. Investors include pension fund managers and pension funds and fund managers. At Wednesday's press conference, UWI Mona Principal and Pro-Vice Chancellor Professor Denzel Williams was tight-lipped about the interest rate, only revealing its single digit.
We would have actually replaced the high cost debt, and we have actually reduced significantly by about $120 million our interest cost that we normally pay annually. So instead of paying out maybe $400 million per year, we're now paying out $150, $200 million per year. That saving is now being used to invest in a number of other initiatives on the campus.
He says the move marks the second phase of the university's AAA plan, dubbed the Revenue Revolution. A number of activities will be rolled out.
Things like the UWI Star, which is going to bring the short courses to market. We have to build out an infrastructure around that. We have to build out a marketing program around that. Monies will be invested in that. We have the global health agenda, where we're going to build a school of global health in Western Jamaica campus. We have to now start the marketing. We have to start the recruitment of students and stuff. Funds from this will be invested in that as well. We're also looking at how we're building out a company, which we call a knowledge process outsourcing company.
Innovative Energy Group IEG has announced a distribution agreement with Huawei Technologies. The partnership reflects the region's increasing demand for cutting-edge digital power technologies to support its renewable energy goals. The two-year renewable agreement grants IEG exclusive distribution rights to Huawei's Tier 1 digital products, including advanced inverters, battery energy storage systems, power conversion systems, and monitoring equipment. Motorists will see higher prices for all petroleum products come tomorrow. 87 gasoline will be increased by $1.78 and the 90 octane by $1.31. Automotive diesel will go up by $2.87. Ultra-low sulfur diesel and kerosene will both see $3.06 added to the current price. Propane will go up by $2.33 and the cost of butane will increase by $1.23. Foreign exchange trading today saw the American dollar selling for an average $156.77. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $109.62. $194.71 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $161.11. On the stock market, the JC index declined by 1,037 points, while the junior market index declined by 8 points. 50 stocks advanced. They were led by Mayberry Jamaican Equities, 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, Innovative Energy Group, the Limnas and Bards, and AMG Packaging and Paper. The 41 losers included Blue Power Group, KLE Group, First Rock Real Estate Investments, T-Tech, and the JFP. 20 stocks ended trading at the same price they started. And that's the Business Day. I'm Giovanni Dennis.